Assalamualaikum, my name is Hanan Aina binti Labri and my metric number is S65442. For today, I would like to present about the discussion 2 on the topic of audit process. What is audit process? Audit process is the series of steps followed by an auditor in order to conduct an audit engagement with a client, including audit planning and fieldwork. Audit process also helps provide assurance to stakeholders that an organization's financial statements are reliable and fairly presented. This is the example of audit process. Audit process have 5. First is planning. Auditors gather information about the company, its financial operation, and any risks that might affect the audit. They identify key areas that require more attention, such as large transactions or complex financial reporting areas. Based on this assessment, the auditors create an audit plan to guide their work effectively. Second is risk assessment. They analyze financial statements to identify potential risks such as revenue overstatements, inventory miscalculation, or incorrect expense reporting. This step is crucial because it helps auditors focus on areas where mistakes or fraud are more likely to occur. Third is substantive testing. The auditor checks actual financial transactions and balance. This includes reviewing invoice, bank statements, contracts, and other financial documents. Fourth is evidence. Auditors gather audit evidence through various ways: physical inspections, confirmation with third parties, analytical procedures, and substantive testing results. And lastly is report. The auditors summarize findings and issues an audit report stating whether the financial statement give a true and fair view. If significant issues arise, they are highlighted as key audit matters to help stakeholders understand financial risks. This is the audit reports for 7-Eleven Malaysia Holding Berhad. Key audit matters for 7-Eleven Malaysia Holding Berhad have 2. First is recognition rebates and incentive income from vendor. 7-Eleven Malaysia Holding Berhad receive rebates and incentive from vendors, contributing significantly to its profit. For the year, RM383.128 billion was recognized as rebates, with RM82.615 billion still receivable at year-end. Since these amounts rely on contracts with vendors, there is a risk of misstatement. Auditors address this by first testing internal controls and engaging in IT specialists to assess the reliability of rebate calculation. Second, verifying that rebates meet recognition criteria under MFRS 15 and reconciling them to vendor agreement. Second is revenue recognition and cost of sales. 7-Eleven Malaysia Holding Berhad relies on IT system to process sales transactions, which could lead to errors. Auditor tested the accuracy of the point of sale (POS) system, reviewed controls, and performed checks to ensure revenue and costs were correctly recorded. Conclusion: the audit process ensures that a company's financial statements are accurate, reliable, and compliant with regulations. It helps build trust among investors, regulators, and the public. Each stage of the audit process plays an important role in identifying risks, checking financial records, and giving a fair opinion on the company's financial health.